Hi, Wilson Middle School. My name is Mrs. Doyle, and I'm one of the two EL teachers here this school year. I'm going to give you some information about your classes and where you'll see me this year, because you might see me bouncing kind of all over the place. So if you're an EL student and you have me on B days, I've seen most of you already, and you guys have done really well so far about getting logged in and being on time. But just a reminder, if you are in my class, I made it kind of simple for you guys to log in. So you should be able to see my classes, what time they start, and what period it is. So I've made it fairly simple for you guys as well. So I'm going to go over a few things. You're going to see on this page here, we are going to be working out of the System 44 book this year. We will also use this vocabulary workshop book, and everything will be in Schoology. As a reminder, just to be on time and to ask for help when needed, either during class or during our special help time from 2:45 until 3:10. If you don't have me on your schedule, you might see me in your English class, just popping in to see how you're doing and to make sure you're on task and if you need any help. Okay. So again, my name is Mrs. Doyle, and I look forward to maybe seeing you guys in person someday soon. Take care.